everybody, I'm Miss Karen, and today I'm going to read the Pokey Turtle Patrol. The moon shone bright on Flagler Beach. The hatching season began. Wiggling and squiggling and breaking through, baby turtles' heads poked through the sand. Flopping and crawling and learning their legs, the sea turtles' race was here, pushing and shoving and making their way to ocean waves crashing by near. One by one they'd reach the shore, excited to arrive. One by one they'd disappear, as each would take a dive. One little sea turtle woke from his nap. He yawned and rubbed his eyes. He turned to his left, then turned to his right, and began to cry. His brothers and sisters left the nest, and he was all alone. How was he to find the way to ride sea currents home? Why all the tears, asked a snail, moving through the sand. I missed the race, sea turtle sniffed, left alone on land. You must be Pokey, teased a crab. That should be your name. My name is Stony Crab. Pleased to meet you just the same. Pokey shivered in the dark. I don't know where to go. To the ocean, said the clam, before the tide's too low. Not so fast, old starfish warned, while lounging on a rock. Should not swim all by yourself. I'd wait down by the dock. That's crazy, scoffed Jellyfish. I do it all the time. Besides that, if his family's there, I think he'll be just fine. I'm trying to sleep, a seagull snapped, while bedded in some weed. Stay the trails along the beach before you're someone's feed. Pokey was confused over whose advice was best. Just then he'd heard commotion back at the turtle's nest. Look, there's more, yelled Stony as he pointed to the hatch. Several turtles poked their heads while climbing from their batch. The baby turtles wiggled and they squiggled all around. Pokey helped patrol the crew towards the ocean sound. Pokey's beach friends watched and cheered as the turtles passed. Hurry, Pokey, go, go, go! Maybe you're not last. As they reached the ocean shore with Pokey's first in line, it's not a race, he waved them through. No turtle left behind. The end. Thanks, everybody. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye.